Hi everybody! A sign that read, "A world at prayer is a world at peace," gave me an idea. The Rosary is a beautiful prayer. I'm going to show you how to make a 1-decade Rosary bracelet. What you'll need is 7/10 millimeter elastic cord, GS hypo cement glue, 2 long nose pliers beading tools, scissors, tape measure, piece of wax paper, piece of blue tape, 12 3/8" beads, 15 spacer beads, 4 jump rings, a crucifix, a medal. Rip a piece of blue tape to hold your elastic. This will also be your stopper. My wrist is 6 inches. Measure your wrist. Add 2 inches for the bracelet length, 4 inches for ease of knotting. My elastic band is 12 inches. Next will be an overview of the 1-decade lineup of the beads and the prayers we will say. The first bead is for the Our Father. Then 3 spacer beads to separate the 10 Hail Mary prayers from the Our Father. Next, a bead for the first Hail Mary, followed by 1 spacer bead, and so on until the 10th Hail Mary bead. Place 3 spacer beads after the 10th Hail Mary bead to separate the 10 Hail Marys from the final prayer and the final bead, which is for the Glory Be to the Father prayer. Now, open 2 of the jump rings. Onto each open jump ring, place a medal and another closed jump ring. Close your open jump rings. My crucifix is 1 1/4 inches high. My medal is 1 inch. Extra medals are your choice. Just stay away from sharp or fancy edges that can snag or get caught on things. I started with a crucifix, then chose the miraculous medal designed by Mary herself. A beautiful story there. In order to hide where we knot the bracelet and the glue, which you'll see later, we're starting to string our bracelet from the 5th Hail Mary. There are 20 decades in an entire rosary, representing moments taken straight from the Bible of Jesus' life as seen through the eyes of his mother. We do say our rosaries and store them in rosary pouches, but we chose to constantly pray the rosary by making a 1-decade elastic rosary bracelet that we can wear or make more to share as a reminder to pray. Remove the blue tape. Tie the cord with a square knot, that is right side over left, left side over right. Pull tightly. Don't be shy. String elastic end closest to the Hail Mary bead through that bead, leaving the knot exposed. Take your glue and place your wax paper down to protect your workspace. Apply your glue to the exposed knot. With the excess elastic, pull it through the bead till it is hidden. Pull excess elastic sides and snip off to hide excess. Maybe ask your parish priest to bless yours. Then this becomes more than a bracelet. It becomes something holy. God bless you for watching this video, and thank you for praying with me.